Hello, what's up guys, you are watching Milestone Tricks, and in this video I will show you how to create custom emojis for your Discord server. And it's very easy to create and it's very easy to upload on Discord server. And so without wasting any time, let's get started. So at first you need to go to your browser and then search emojimaker.com. After search it, then you will get the interface and click on start design. Then you will get the interface. You can choose any shapes for your emoji. Okay, it's looking better. You can choose eyes for your emojis. Yeah, it's looking better. You can choose the happy mouths and the sad mouths also. I can choose anything. You can use the nose. You can use the sunglasses. You can use hats. You can use the hands also. It's looking so funny. You can use the backgrounds also. There are many backgrounds. To save this emoji, then you need to click on save and click on download. Then it will be downloaded. And so let's see how to add in Discord. Server settings and click on emojis and upload emoji. Then select your emojis and must rename this emoji. Okay, fine. Our emoji is uploaded. Let's see. Here is our emoji. Yeah, it's done. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.